So number two is transformation process. So the first scientist is Avery McCall and McCartney. In 1944, they described that bacterial cell enter to the another bacterial cell, and that bacterial cell which having growth ability, and first described the Avery McCall and McCartney. So in the transformation process, the transformation described by the Frederick Griffith in 1928, which show it means Frederick Griffith first discovered the transformation recombination in bacterial cell, and according to him, they said all bacterial cell have ability to take the DNA from the environment, and that environmental DNA is called, that bacterial cell is called component DNA. Okay, competent DNA. What is competent DNA? All bacteria have ability to take the DNA from outside the environment, and that bacteria which have ability to take the DNA from the outside is called competent DNA. Yeah, DNA competent, and this it means one competent cells take only 10 fragments in one DNA fragments. Okay, so in the process of transformation, the first is there is given two cells. The first is donor cell and the second is recipient cell. So recipient cell and donor cell you can say that it is shown in the DNA fragment form. There is a DNA fragment which I write in the capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, B, C, D, E, F or C. These are the fragments of DNA. In recipient cell, there is a chromosomal DNA which I have shown in the small letters A, B, C, D, E. After that, the foreign DNA, what I said in what is the capability of DNA component? Taking the outside DNA from the bacterial cell. So DNA fragment enter into the recipient cell. When it will enter into the recipient cell through the enzyme which is called endonuclease. What endonuclease? ASES, nuclease. Endonuclease enzyme. What endonuclease do? Endonuclease reach to the DNA entry site and cut the DNA fragment into the particular point and separate from that. It means suppose that is the DNA fragment with the endonuclear work doing cutting that fragment, and now it enter to the next point in the bacterial cell, and now the single stranded DNA nuclease by the nucleus enter or attack to the bacterial cell, and immediately donor single stranded DNA recipient chromal DNA combined with recipient donor cell. It means there is a DNA fragment first enter to the bacterial cell and then it will cut into the one side. I'll show you how it is happening. So that is the bacterial cell. The point is A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So suppose in this cell, the endonuclease cutting this portion. This fragment is cutting and immediately remove this fragment. And after removing the fragment, that competent DNA which comes from the outside, and this DNA immediately joined by the ligase. Why one more enzyme is called ligase, and which joined with the ligase. It means now the new DNA is called genetic transform. It means now the new DNA become like that is A, C, D, E. So there is the missing DNA and joined with the fragment DNA, and now this is called B. Now you think that the difference, that is the outer DNA या foreign DNA which entered to the recipient cell, and a new DNA formed is called genetic transform cell, and those remaining part is called degraded DNA, and this process is called transformation process. It means what is happening in the transformation process, DNA fragment enter to the recipient cell, and through the where the cutting the which nucleus cutting the DNA fragment, endonuclease, and it enter to the bacterial cell, and immediately they remove the one part of recipient cell, recipient DNA cell, recipient cell DNA, and this DNA joined with the new enzyme is called ligase, immediately joined with the ligase, and remaining is called degraded recombinant, the new is genetic transformed, after that the new cell which will genetic transformed cell, that means that is transformation. This complete process is called transformation.